Welcome back. This will be a quick video. Here's an Athern GP38-2. So I have a box of trains that have been sitting since like 2008, I guess. And with the whole DCC and with this whole us quarantine, I figured we play around, see what I got, and mess around with stuff. So like I said, so here's this guy. It was squeaky. It still is a little bit, but it wouldn't even move on its own. I was able to pop the lid, clean it, grease it up some. Let's give her a run. As you notice, nice and slow movement. Operates nice and slow. And it moves well. So this will probably be the next one I try and go DCC. There's full speed. But we'll slow her down. So it's got two sets of drive wheels, so it should be able to pull a good amount. I only have 3 on it at the moment. The one right behind the diesel is a track cleaning car, so it's got the pad dragging, so it does add resistance. But yeah, she looks good so far. I think this will be the next one for DCC. I'm trying to get all my stuff that I can over to DCC. So, nice little train. Nothing great, nothing spectacular. Alrighty, that's it.